नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियाओं। I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. University program name and methods name, subject name, secondary and senior and secondary education. Module name, science as a composite discipline at secondary stage. University name, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I'm discussing about the science as a composite discipline at secondary stage. It is suggested that at the secondary stage, you should engage your learners in the learning science as a composite discipline as a science teacher. At this level, you should provide them opportunity to engage in activities and analysis on issues surrounding environment of health. Objectives of teaching at a secondary stage: to impart the knowledge to the students about the world, the importance of science and its effects on society and its environment, and give them the knowledge of the role of the environment so that learners can utilize the correct method of the usage of the environment. Engaging young students with exciting material and experiences motivates them to learn and pursue the sciences throughout school. Teaching technology literacy, critical thinking, and problem solving through science education gives students the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in school and beyond. What are the things that should be included in secondary level curriculum? Which subjects are taught in secondary schools? History, geography, modern foreign languages, art and design, music, design and technology, physical education, computing, often called information and communication, technology of ICT. Which subjects are taught in ICT? The aims of the teaching and study of sciences are to encourage and enable students to develop inquiring minds and curiosity about science and the natural world, acquire knowledge, conceptual understanding and skills to solve problems, and make informed decisions in scientific and other contexts. Many researchers agree that the goals of scientific research are description, prediction, and explanation. Understanding, some individuals add control and application to the list of goals. The goals of teaching social sciences in the school are to instill social values, customs, and traditions, as well as build a human personality, study the hopes and aspirations of society, and contribute to the socialization of students. The greatest output by far is in the physical sciences. A similar study can be done of the number of citations received by top papers in the various fields, and did such a study has been done and points to the biological science as the most important fields. Schools Week summarized the suggestions from the report, build on the ideas that peoples bring the lessons, help people direct their own learning, support people to retain and retrieve knowledge, use practical work as part of a learning sequence, develop scientific vocabulary, use structured feedback. Mudaliar Commission. The Secondary Education Commission was appointed under the chairmanship of Dr. L.S. Muralidhar on September 23, 1952. So, it is popularly known as Mudaliar Commission. There are three main branches of science: physical science, earth science, and life science. Physical science is the study of inanimate natural objects and the laws that govern them. It includes physics, chemistry, and astronomy. 5 components of social studies: geography, history, culture, and society, gives and govern economics. Top 10 most interesting branches in science. Astronomy. This is my favorite scientific branch. Human anatomy, as much as we study about our own space spices, we all never known everything. Microbiology, geology, neurobiology, botany, engineering, physics, etc. What is the best way to teach science? Teach scientific ways of thinking. Actively involve students in their own learning. Help students to develop a conceptual framework as well as to develop problem solving skills. Promote student discussion and group activities. Help students experience science in varied, interesting and enjoyable ways. Education system is the dynamic side of entire philosophy. The main features of basic education are free and compulsory education for children of 7 to 14 years, education through craft, self-supporting education, mother tongue as medium of instruction, idle citizenship, and flexible curriculum. What are the 6 content of social studies? Within the school program, social studies provides coordinated systematic study drawing upon such disciplines and anthropology, archaeology, economics, geography, history, law, philosophy, political science, psychology, religion and sociology, as well as appropriate content from the humanities, mathematics. This power is session by Digital 2.0 version, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Have any query? Write in comment box. Resolve your queries.